Okay, guys, I am back with another video, healthy, optimized, or whatever you want to call it. So today I went to E Plus Wellness Cafe and I got a Buddha bowl, which I will show you guys here. And I got this smoothie that just gives, E Plus Rose Wellness Company. Here it is. Tell me this doesn't look delectable. Oh my God, look at this. This looks so good. It's giving Erewhon, even though I've never been to Erewhon in California. It's definitely giving Erewhon. Okay, look at that. This looks so good. Okay, so this is my drink. It's the glow smoothie. I think it's called the glow smoothie. And I also got a Buddha bowl, which we will get into right now. This, okay, this and this and this and this, and then the Buddha bowl. I don't know if you guys can see that. Actually, let me open it. So the Buddha bowl has cabbage, tofu, kale, sweet potato, and corn. Very healthy. Let's see, can you guys see that there? Okay, there we go. And let me see, I should have a fork. And it's also got, I think, tahini dressing. And I should have a straw. Yes, I do. I can't wait to try the smoothie because honestly, that smoothie looks amazing. I saw it on the Google Map feature, like, you know, and they have the photos of the stuff. And I was like, yeah, I gotta try that one right there. That particular one right there. Trash. Okay. Let's first start with the smoothie because I really want to try this. Okay. Yeah. This, the glow smoothie. I can't stop showing it to you guys because it looks so pretty. I almost don't even want to drink it. Oh yeah. It's a little tart. It tastes like, what does it taste like? It's got collagen in there. I went for the plant-based, since we're doing plant-based and healthy, vegan. I went for the vegan collagen, not the animal-based collagen or whatever. But yeah. It has strawberry. It tastes like strawberry. I'll tell you guys what's in it. I don't even know. Did y'all see that? Oh my God. Okay, and then this. That's really good. 10 out of 10. It tastes healthy. It's nice and light. Oh, this tahini dressing. My God. This is good. This tahini, I already know. So I'm just gonna slather. I'm just gonna let it drip all in there. Let me get it all up in there. Maybe I should have tried it, but then it's dry, so I don't really need to try it since it's plant-based and food. I don't need to try it without the dressing because, like, I already know what sweet potatoes taste like without dressing. So I'm gonna mix a little bit in there, and then I've got tofu, cabbage, and corn, so you guys can see. Oh my God, this looks so healthy and yummy. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes when you go for healthy, it doesn't give, but this has flavor. This, honestly, y'all, has flavor, and the dressing is really good. It's like creamy. This tahini dressing is a little creamy, a little bit sweet. A little bit, what is that, garlicky? A little tart. It's like a yogurt almost. It's perfect. This bowl is hidden, yes. So we've got sweet potato, tofu. I want to say quinoa or corn. I'm not even sure. And cabbage. And the tofu is actually seasoned and it tastes good. Tofu typically takes, excuse me. Tofu usually takes the taste of whatever you cook it with or cook it in because it's already so bland. But if you give it whatever flavors you want, it will be good. This is great. This is a great lunch bowl. E Plus Rose Wellness. Y'all are all right. Y'all are okay with me. Aesthetically, like, look at this. Come look at this. Somebody come look at this. If you wanted to start the new year right, that's what. Shout out to my pastor. He said, even if you slipped up already on your New Year's resolution, it's okay. You could jump right back in. Don't be a Pharisee. Don't be so strict and hard on yourself. Oh man, that almost took me out. Shout out to Mount Zion Baptist Church. If y'all need a good church to go to, let me tell you, my church is the best. Shout out to Pastor Joseph Walker, Bishop Joseph Walker. He's amazing. Shout out to the whole Mount Zion family. But yeah, he said if you happen to slip up a little bit, because we're doing a fast, you happen to slip up a little bit on your little New Year's resolution and your fast, and it's okay. You could jump right back in. You had a little, honey bun or whatever. It's all right. It's not the end of the world. Don't be a Pharisee, okay? This is good. This is like, and it's not too sweet. I don't even know. I would show y'all. Thing is, I'm using my phone as well, so I can't even see, to be honest. One time for the one time, because this right here is amazing. I'm going to finish this. For sure, I'm going to finish it. Oh, it's not corn. It's rice. It tells me, actually. I'm so slow. It tells me exactly what is in this. Buddha bowl. Golden hearty turmeric brown rice with roasted sweet potatoes, baked tofu, crunchy shredded cabbage, chopped kale, and our prepped lemon tahini dressing. That's the tartness. That's the lemon. If they made it from scratch, then my God, I need the recipe for this. This is good. I would put this on everything. Tahini is really good. Well, then again, I've had some not so good tahini, like store bought. Like if you buy it from like one of those markets that sell an international food market, you got to know which brand to buy. Because I bought it before to try it on some stuff and I did not get the right one. It was just like a bitter, it was like a garlic tahini, but it was so bitter. I don't know what else it had in it. I didn't like it at all. But this right here, get into it. This will have your skin glowing, New Year's resolution flowing, nice and light and healthy, and the colors are so vibrant in the bowl. I'm just not finding out about this. Okay. I said corn. I knew it wasn't corn and I kept saying it. I'm like, it's probably quinoa. And I kept saying corn. Like, what the hell? And imagine, I think this is probably vegan, to be honest. It is. Shout out to the vegan foods, because a lot of times you want something and you're like, oh, I'm not eating vegan because it's like, well, that's how I am in particular, because I feel like sometimes it just might not be good. But to be honest, vegan foods, their flavor packs a punch. I guess because they make up with no meat, but the flavor is packing in this. You don't need meat. You really don't. If you're someone that's vegan, you're not even vegetarian. This is vegan and I'm busting it down like this. That's crazy. If someone that's like, damn it. I'm so busy eating, I forgot what I was saying. That's to show y'all how good this is. I'm so busy chewing, I lost my train of thought. I was saying something about vegan foods packing a punch because they make up for, I guess, no meat with the flavor. I don't know, but to be honest, this right here, I could eat this every day. I would eat this every day. And it wasn't that expensive. I think the bowl was like, dang it, and I didn't get a receipt. Both of these came up to like, honestly, I don't know. I think it was like $20 or 20 something with tax. I don't know. But this is good. I love the way it looks though. Like, get into it. Like, tell me this isn't so gorgeous. Like, you don't even want to drink it. Like, what? What does it say back there? Drink well, be kind. Okay, I'm with that. This is great. Amazing. I just spilled some. I'm so mad. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this in peace. Y'all, if you're in the Nashville area, make sure you try Be Well. I said Be Well. E Plus Rose Wellness Cafe. Wellness Company. E Plus Rose Wellness Company. That's the actual name of the store. I'm going to finish this because I'm going to enjoy it. Sweet potatoes are good too. I love sweet potatoes. I'm going to enjoy it, but y'all should go check them out. This is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And they don't only have vegan stuff, I should add. They have a wide variety of stuff. This is just what I chose because I'm on a little health kind of with my church. Like I said, Mount Zion Baptist Church. Shout out to them. But we're doing a 20-day fast where we're not eating red meat. So you can eat meat, but like lean meats like chicken. You can have chicken and fish, but no red meats and a few other things. The fast will be over this week, but in the meantime, I've been eating very healthy, as you can see. And this is not going to be the first and last time that I've had that. This is definitely something that I will be eating again and again and again, especially since I'm in this area, whenever I'm in this area. But yeah, they're down in on 12 South. If you guys are familiar with 12 South in the Nashville area, that's where they're located. Well, I think one of them, because I think they have more than one location, if I'm not mistaken. But look them up, check them out. I will link it in the YouTube. This is good. It tastes just as good as it looks. I'm telling you. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah, no. That 10 out of 10. I love it. I love it. But yeah. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you keep tuning in for the next ones. There will be videos coming throughout the week. Thank you guys for all the views. That In-N-Out Burger video has gone triple platinum on this platform. I was not expecting that. So thank you guys for all the love and support. And make sure you guys check out the long videos as well. Like this video, this is a long form video, not just the shorts. The shorts are blowing up. But check out these long videos. Watch them, please, in its entirety so that I can get monetized on the platform. That'd be so nice. But yeah, thank you guys for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you on the next one.